Hi guys, this is Julia from Quizlet. Good morning, in New York it's morning, Monday morning, and today I have decided to share with you some of the resources and tools for B1 and B2 level because so many of you have asked me what exactly did I use when I was at this level. You might already have A1 or A2, but still too early to think about C1 and C2 levels. That's why this video is important for you. Just don't stop watching. First in the list is the magazine in German. It's called Deutsch Perfekt. This is a real treasure for language learners. Interesting articles about traveling, living in Germany, the world, everything. Audio exercises, targeting grammar and vocabulary exercises. This is just a comprehensive learning tool in just one thing. And you can also find it on Onleihe. I remember this is the resource where you can Onleihe. I love this word game, where you can borrow some of the German books, movies, and audiobooks. Each article introduces a lot of new phrases and words in German, and also it's explained in German, so you'll have the authentic language experience. Just don't forget to use it wisely, practicing exercises or adding new vocabulary to the Quizlet sections so you can learn this vocabulary later. On this level, you can already be more or less flexible with the podcast because you already have the basis of the language in your head. I would just start choosing the ones that are similar to my personal interests. For example, I was quite into psychology, personal psychology, and also a little bit of science, just to become smarter in terms of, everyday communication. So I picked Die Lösung, planet Wissen, to broaden your horizon of academic knowledge. So eben, this is more about storytelling, captivating stories, engagement. And the newest one, the most recent I found, was Wieso, Woher, Warum. Just like, I used to, back in Russia, I used to watch Galileo. It was my favorite TV show. So this is kind of this thing, just answering the big questions of the world, just fueling your curiosity, simultaneously learning German. This is the key to success. Small life hack, a lot of podcasts do provide transcripts, so don't hesitate to open the website, look through the transcript and define the phrases and words you would love to use in your own speech, or you found new or want to learn. The last step is always Quizlet. Don't forget about that. Now, let's talk about German TV with the most important German subtitles. You have already got the basis where you understand a little bit of the language, more or less. You've watched some of the resources I recommended in the previous video about how to start learning German, and then you feel like you want to grow. On this level, I highly advise you to start watching German TV. It's authentic language. It is available for free. Sometimes you might have to use a VPN just to get the location in Germany. Still, you would get it for free. You will get German subtitles, and you will enrich your vocabulary and just, get the feeling of the language. My most favorite ones are zdf.de and 3set.de. Something that is more not like the TV, but just the website where they post interesting, cool videos in German with subtitles would be Arte there. So yeah, just watch whatever closer to your heart, whether it's documentaries, dramas, comedies, sitcoms. Just don't forget to take the pen and write down the new phrases. So again, we are striving for the levels C1 and C2. On these levels, you'll have to be able to read books, actual books, heard and tried some of the graded readers. This is a good idea. So the books, you can definitely try the graded ones for B1 and B2. I would suggest two. I did like quite a bit. These are the very popular Der Vorleser from Bernhard, Schlink, and then Momo by Ende. Again, it's just very up to you, up to your interests, your favorite genre. So just open Onleihe and enjoy this variety of interesting books and audiobooks. At this level, you can still work with students' books. I will not even mention, them all mentioned, B1, B2, and Kundungen. These are quite a comprehensive experience to get to the higher level in German. What about speaking? So being honest, I only got to speak German when I was at university, when there was like the oral presentation and I was in the group lesson at university. I've never been a big fan of these apps where you can find new friends and then just speak German. I don't know, it didn't work for me that well. So what I did whenever I had to practice, first of all, if it's just like the random talk, I would just talk to myself, just describing my day, my feelings. Today I feel down, I don't want to do anything. Or then on the other hand, I'm just like super energetic and I want to conquer the world. So I would just talk to myself on a daily basis just to practice the language flow, to summarize whatever you learned, read, watched, listened to German, like a retelling, the way you would tell it to your friend or your parents, just to share some ideas. So, and just to, practice it orally retelling the story. I believe that should be it. B1 and B2, as I said, it gives you quite a bit of flexibility. So here you just need to be around the right resources. Try to balance everything out in terms of listening, writing, speaking, and teaching. So all 4 parts, just make sure you're training them every day. So I hope that this video was helpful for you. If so, please hit the thumbs up button and also follow my channel. I'm trying to grow it. I'm trying to give you as much valuable, helpful information that helped me on my way, because I was alone, but on the other hand, I've learned a lot as well. I love this experience. I love you all. Please stay tuned for the next video.